Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. I have prepared for you the new amazing video of Russian nail technician, famous Russian nail technician Andrew Teddy Bear. And he's showing you the work of filing the gel nails. And at this moment he's fixing broken gel nail. You know guys, we had so hot celebrations of the New Year and Christmas, and you know that Russian people like drinking vodka. That's why we have a lot of broken nails these days. But the all year our clients don't have such problems because we do very strong nails. You can watch our tutorials video by video, and you will see that liftings and breakings are real situations. But you should also know how to fix these problems. And Andrew has removed the gel and he is applying the base. About the question, what product to choose as a base? For example, now in our store we have two kinds of classic sculpting mix gel. The first one is liquid sculpting mix gel. The second one is thick sculpting mix gel. The simple law: when you apply the liquid product, you have the better adhesion for the one hand, from the one hand, and from the other hand. It's easier to apply the thin layer of the liquid gel than thin layer of the thick product. I hope you understand, guys, and you should definitely choose the liquid sculpting mix gel for applying the base coat, and the thick sculpting mix gel you should use for applying the builder coat. We made for you guys, just for you my friends, nail technicians from all over the world who used to do very long gel nails. We made the special price which is lower than in our lower than in other stores. Why? Just because we want you to try this product. We wanted to make this product more economic for you, so you will have a chance to earn more money and spend less on products, and it's more profitable to work with such product than with other gel products. You can calculate, compare these products. It will never bring you harm or allergy, because as you can see, we work more than 10 years with these products and we have no allergy, any other product problems with length and any other problems. I apply this gel product on my wife's nails, but I know she when she had a baby, she had born the baby, and in those days when the person is more allergic, when in that moments she had no problems with allergy. That means sculpting mix gel is non-allergic. It contains less number of ingredients than gel polish or other products. That's why it's the less risk for you of the allergy. This is the first dignity of this product. The second dignity is very easy to apply. Andrew is applying nails only in 1 hour, and the long, very difficult shapes of nails like H or pipe nails, he spends 1.5 hours for doing this work. That means this product is very easy to work, easy to shape. As you can see, Andrew is using already scored off file, video by video. He shows you that it's very easy to shape this product, like you can see here. But he even doesn't need to shape it at all, because after sculpting the nail looks ideal. And we have no mountings, we had no we never forced to play with the gel too much to achieve the ideal shape. That's why, guys, I think you should try this product, and I'm sure that you will be satisfied, because I give you the guarantee that this product will work for you. And if you have any problems, we give you 100 guarantee % of money back if you don't satisfied with this product, because we know that we have had thousands of orders of these products and all our clients are satisfied. The second reason why you should choose this product: we do tutorials every day, and every day we show you how we work with this product on our clients. So we don't create something new and unbelievable. We just do our work, do with this product, and give you and show you example how we can work effectively, earn money, save our health, and just have some joy, have some fun of working with these products. Andrew is applying the gel polish now on this product. He has prepared the nails for placing the gel polish using the conjure bead. So I think that Andrew decided to create something beautiful. He likes drawing different beautiful nail designs, but before he didn't like it. I think he opened the new talent, and of course we guys will support him, and don't forget to click that like button if you like this, or if you love his work and this nail design. So let's listen to the music and continue watching how he applies the nail design.
I woke up this morning, there's no one around, I hear no sound. It seems that people have lost. I'm a little ghost, I'm a little ghost. Somebody wake me up, I'm dreaming, I wanna go back. Somebody hear me, I feel so lonely now. Never stay at home, we don't wanna be alone. Never stay at home, we don't wanna be alone. I would be a rock star, I would be your guy. We would travel Moscow, but planes don't fly. Do you remember those nights when we had a rave? I remember nights when we played rave. Never stay at home, we don't wanna be alone. Never stay at home, we don't wanna be alone. Dancing in the subway, looking on the stars, waiting for the new day, just the two of us. I will show you the beautiful place, I'm gonna drive my car fast, just win space, baby, just win space. Never stay at home.
I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you like it, subscribe to our channel. All products you can order with free shipping all over the world. And my compliments. Thanks for watching, guys. We love you. See you tomorrow in our free tutorial. Bye.